Hi guys, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome to my channel again. And well, it's 1st of March and it's the start of the commercial vehicle group build, hosted by Jason over at Model Kit Stuff and Rob over at Rims Models. And we can start today, but before we start, I've had a bit of a postal delivery today and I've got a couple more bits to add to the stash. So let's get over to the bench and we'll have a look. So the first thing out of the magic box today, oh sorry about that, camera's wobbling, is another one of these large McFarlane Toys Warhammer models. And this is a, what is it called? A Chaos Space Marine. And I can't remember. There is a name for this particular figure, I think. I'm sure I saw it somewhere. I don't know. But anyway, this is the box it comes in. Bloody wicked. Got it off eBay. Really good bargain price. I was watching it and the vendor actually offered me a discount, so you know, what can you do? You have to bite a hand off, don't you? So anyway, I'll get this unopened and we can have a look at the figure itself out of the box. So I'll be back in a second. So there he is out of the box. The only thing I haven't taken out of the box is the base plate thing, but the price I got for this was absolutely stunning, so I just couldn't resist it. Because I looked at the figure, looked at this the backpack thing, great moulding here, lovely skulls, really eerie looking figures or heads, whatever. But the Marine itself has this looks like it's towel. Any of you, you know, you can't go anywhere without your towel, as Arthur Dent used to say. And also this has got some wicked moulding. I love these big chunks here. Wicked moulding here on this shoulder patch. Great bits of detail there. Bits of, you know, bits of hits on the armour and all that stuff. And I just thought, yeah, this has got the potential for some really good painting. Comes apart the same as all the others, so that will be a good solid job once I've painted that. The only thing I've got to do now is do some research and see what sort of colour, you know, what sort of details it is. Again, I'm going to do it as Blood Angels, I think, because I might as well keep to the same chapter. God, I'm getting right into it now. But anyway, that's one of the things that have been added to the stash. Let's clear this out of the way and we'll get the other things. Well, now I know I said that I wouldn't buy any more kits this year, so the McFarlane ones, I have to blame others for that. That's my old Mara Gavin Booth over there, because it was his idea about this. He was the one who planted the seed on that, so that's his fault. And the other one I can blame for this next purchase, or these next two purchases, is Al Woods, my old mate Al Woods there. He had this saloon car, British staff car, Super Snipe, by Ace in 1/72 scale. I saw it and I thought, I've got an idea for a little bit of a little mini diorama in 1/72 scale. So I saw that, and the other one I saw was this one here that I think he did, which was this staff car, this 8 horsepower Tourer. This to me looks like it is a bit of an Austin job. That's a Humber Super Snipe. That one's a Humber Super Snipe. This one looks very much like the Austin with the nose grille on it. Yeah, lovely little car. had a quick look at this. As you can see, massive amount of parts, but great little detail there. I'm going to have a lot of fun putting these together, I think. And Al, thanks for the tip on these, and the old Maragavian, thanks for the tip on the Warhammer figures, mate. You've sent me down a modelling road I didn't expect to go down, but anyway, these have been added to the stash. They'll get put to one side, and the first priority at the moment, as with everything else that's been set aside, we'll get on with the commercial vehicle group build. Anyway, see you on the next video. Take care out there, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.